Tim Bone is here, which means we're going to be cooking another delicious duck recipe. Duck pancakes.
Duck pancakes. These are one of my ultimate favourites.
Me too.
And the Love a Duck Peking Duck Pancake Kit, it's synonymous. It's got a reputation for being one of the most glorious things in the world. And it's a real gateway for people introducing them to the glorious nature of duck.
Yeah, you're totally right. Because, I mean, anything a pancake's delicious, but sticky hoisin sauce, spring onions.
Wrapped up in a pancake.
Exactly.
It doesn't get any better.
But you're not doing it the traditional way?
Well, I'm showing you the traditional way, but I'm also throwing a couple of curveballs with different ways to utilise the Peking Duck Pancake Kit. So, obviously, you've got the classic with the cucumber batons and the spring onion batons. If you want to slice a few of those, we're going to make a little grazing board with our Peking duck. This is something really fun you could do at home with the kids. You pop this out at a dinner party. People can build their own pancakes and really make them how they want to have them.
The theatre of eating, right?
Oh, that's what it's all about. So I've got our beautiful Peking duck breast that comes in the kit.
Okay.
All you need to do, pop it in the oven, 190 degrees, 15 minutes.
Right.
You could do these in the air fryer. You could even do them in the microwave if you're in a pinch.
So it's a kit. So what comes in the kit?
So you get the duck breast, the beautiful hoisin sauce, you get the pancakes. All you need to add is the little accoutrements, whatever you want to put with your pancakes.
Accoutrement, I love that word.
Accoutrements. So I'm going to thinly slice our duck. How gorgeous is this? And I can never resist.
Oh, if you're going to do
You've got to do it.
yum.
Oh,
delicious.
I never get sick of it. Never, ever, ever. Done a great job with that spring onion. So there's our classic ones done with the spring onion, the cucumber, and the hoisin sauce. I want to do a little bit of a slaw to go with some crispy pancakes.
Okay.
Watch this space. So we've got some wombok here, just some Chinese cabbage, and I want you to add some more spring onion, some kewpie mayo, and some sesame seeds. Just for that little Asian slaw to go on top as well.
Just in thin rounds like this?
Yeah, just thin rounds like that would be phantasmo.
Okay.
Our beautiful duck breast, thinly sliced up. That can go onto our board as well. We'll just fan it out and make it look absolutely beautiful. Yum. Now, the thing is, Justine, how many pancakes can you eat in one sitting?
Great question, Tim. Minimum 4, right?
Minimum 4, I reckon. So that's looking really great. So these are going to go with my crispy ones, which we'll do.
Okay.
But also, a great way is to serve it with apple and pear.
In the slaw?
No, separately as a different way to serve the pancakes. Because obviously duck and fruit goes really well together, so we're really playing on that. But having some apple and some pear batons to really have a different dimension from the cucumber and the spring onion.
Sounds good.
Something a bit different. All right, I've got a bit of oil that I've been heating in our frying pan.
Okay.
And these pancakes, which come in the kit, these are absolutely beautiful. So I just heated these in the microwave just to loosen them up a bit, 40 seconds.
Yes.
So we'll get one of our beautiful, how good are these? Straight into our oil. We'll check that it's hot enough. We want to hear that sizzle.
Yep.
And watch this. They're going to puff up and get beautiful and crispy. So you've almost got like a Peking duck tostada.
Oh, so creative. Very nice. A nice crunchy pear for this because you do want that texture there.
Yeah, absolutely. That crunch factor will really go a long way for our Peking duck pancakes.
Did you want that cut in the same style?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Okay.
Yeah, lovely.
So thin julienne.
And these Peking duck pancakes, they only take about 30 seconds either side, just until they're nice and golden and crispy.
Yes, I love that. And there's no reason why you couldn't serve some soft and some crunchy.
Yeah,
like hard tacos and soft tacos.
That's what I'm thinking. For your instead of Taco Tuesday, you could have a Peking duck pancake Tuesday. Why not?
Love the sound of that.
All right, Justine, I'm going to fry up a few more pancakes. We'll get our board looking lovely and get ready for our Peking duck pancake party.
Like the sound of that.
Justine, time to put the finishing touches to our Peking duck grazing board here.
Yes.
So we've got the apple and the pear, if you want to go that way for a bit of that fruit and duck action. But look at these. These have just crispened up so well. I'm just going to break one open so you can hear it. You have to try a little bit.
Yes, please.
Ready? So good.
They're so good.
All right.
Even better with the duck, I think.
Oh, yeah. And then we've got some of that beautiful wombok slaw. Really easy. Just the cabbage, bit of spring onion, bit of kewpie and sesame seeds. And then we can stack up some of our crispy pancakes.
Cool.
You pop that in front of your friends and you'd be an absolute hero, I reckon.
I think that would go in minutes because it just looks so appetising. Shall we make a pancake?
Yeah, let's go.
Now, the problem is, where do you start?
I
Soft
know.
or crunchy?
I'm going to start crunchy. What about you?
Well, in that case, I better start soft.
A little bit of dark,
A little bit of hoisin.
a little bit of slaw.
What I am going to do differently with this one is try this combo, which I've never tried, the spring onions, the cucumber, and the crunchy pear and apple. Great idea.
I like that.
And a little bit of duck. And wrap it up.
Oh, the old wrap. All right, cheers.
Cheers, Tim. This is fun food, isn't it?
Fun food.
Delicious, Tim. Thank you.